welcome back again. So it's me. I'm here again, and today po is I'm going to show you how to cook our Ilocano Pinakbet. So ganito po kami magluto ng pinakbet sa Ilocos. So yung unang ingredients po natin is we need bagoong, this one. And of course guys, we also need ampalaya or paria in Ilocano. And we also need kamatis po. Yan. And yung talong po natin or tarong. And ito po yung squash. Kalabasa po or karabasa. Since nawala po akong potato na nabili, so alternative po yung kalabasa. But in real Ilocano Pinakbet, yung potato po talaga yung linalagay. And of course guys, I also add yung sili para pang pabango po siya. And also we also need this one guys, yung beans, long beans po siya. And ito po yung main ingredients po natin. So kailangan din natin ng onion and garlic and ginger po. Yes, may ganito po yung Ilocano Pinakbet. And of course guys, we need patani. Ito po yung patani natin. And of course guys, we need okra. Since that wala akong mahanap na fresh okra, so I decided to use this frozen okra. Okay naman po siya. So guys, ito pa na yung pork natin. So lalagyan po natin siya ng mixed peppercorn and salt. Ganyan guys. Tapos baliktarin po natin. So guys, our canola oil is already hot. So let's start putting our meat. Alright guys, so I'll be right back and I'll show you when it's done. So guys, here, kukuha po ako ng bagoong, this one. So yung water po natin is 1 cup of water. And pinainit ko po siya until warm water po siya. And maglalagay po tayo ng bagoong. I-dissolve po natin yung bagoong dyan. Depende po sa inyo kung gaano karami po ng bagoong. Ganyan po. So, i-dissolve ko lang po siya. Yan guys. So, yung bagoong natin, it's already dissolved. So, kukuha na po ko nito. And, isasala po natin dito. Be careful po para hindi po siya mahulog. Yan. Ito po yung gagamitin natin mamaya for our pinakbet. Yan. Alright guys, so tignan ko po yung pork natin. So guys, this one I'm going to use as my bagnet. So I'm going to cut them and let's start putting them na guys, yung mga ingredients natin. And let's start cooking our pinakbet finally. Guys, so ang unang ilalagay po natin is yung ito po. And next po is yung kamatis. Maraming kamatis, mas masarap po siya. Yan. And next po is yung ito po. And yung kalabasa po natin. And of course, yung patani po. And yung ampalaya. Next po is yung talong po natin. Sa ibabaw po yung talong. Ganyan po. Yan. And of course guys, yung bagoong po natin. Haluin ko lang po. Or yung bagoong. Bagoong po ang tawag namin sa Ilocos. And yung okra po, since na-process po siya, last po natin na ilalagay. Yan po. Yan. Tapos igano natin. Yan. And of course guys, ilagay na po natin yung parang bagnet po natin. Pero prinito po na pork. Sa ibabay po natin siya ilalagay. Yan, di ba? Tapos iluto na po natin siya. Wag po nating hinahalo kasi po sa Ilocos, hindi po namin hinahalo yung pinakbet po namin. Alright guys, so I'm going to put na in the stove and I'll be right back. So yan po, linuluto na po natin, medium heat lang po. Alright guys, update ko po kayo mamaya pag medyo luto na po siya. Hello guys, so ito na po yung update ng pinakbet natin. So, ganyan na po siya. It's really amoy pinakbet and wag po natin siyang tatakpan para hindi po siya para hindi po mash yung mga vegetables natin. So ganyan lang po siya, hayaan lang po natin. And I'll be right back guys. Medium heat lang po siya. So guys, I cover it for at least 10 minutes. So let's see. I covered, but look at that. There's something like hole in it, so that it's not real cover. So let's see. Yan na guys, yung pinakbet natin, and in few minutes it's already finished, and I'll be right back guys. Guys, our pinakbet is already finished, so let me show you po. Yan. So that's our pinakbet. So guys, so I'm going to plate and I will show you more. Or I will show you closer later. Alright guys. Hello guys. So ito na po yung finished product ng pinakbet ni Manang Marie. So in Ilocano, ate means manang. So it's me, I'm Manang Marie. So guys, let's see. Yan na po siya. Yan. Yung ampalaya, yung okra, and yung karne, of course. Ganyan po siya. Ang masarap po dito is yung sabaw niya because hindi po tayo naglagay ng water. So, yung sabaw niya po is nandun. Yan po, masarap po yan. Yum. Alright guys. And ito po yung ginger po. Ang laki, diba? Ito yung ginger natin. And yung mga patani po natin. Alright guys, sana po may natutunan po kayo dito ng pagluto po ng Ilocano Pinakbet. Hindi po natin siya hinalo. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye!